Good afternoon. My name is Estefania Sequera. The restaurant that I choose for the development of this activity is Wok. In this place, the food that they prepare is Oriental food, the special sushi. They have a unique idea for prepare this food, and but it's not the cuisine. The service in here is very good. It's very nice. All workers in here are women, and they are very welcoming. Um, this is my favorite restaurant. It's very good for romantic romantic dinners, for cel familiar celebrations, or I don't know, maybe lunch with your partners or work. I invite you, all my colleagues of this group, to go to it to walk. It's a very good option. It's not expensive, and the waitress can advise you to choose of the menu. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.